how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Hey y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to the family channel and the crew. In my household, y'all gonna hear the washer may be going because it is spinning currently and I can't stop it. But I need to hurry up and get this haul done. My mama sent me to the store to get some personal items for her, so I went on and put those up. But I'm gonna show y'all everything else that she needed me to get and a few things I needed. The Johnson baby soap, I used this on Philip, or he uses this on his face. You guys remember I was sharing a haul with y'all and we was doing a Cetaphil and a Dr. Bronner's because he's a preteen and he was going through that initial hormone acne. Once they got that cleared up, they recommended that he just use this to cleanse his face. He's been doing this for about 3 months now and it's been working. He haven't been having any issues with acne or anything, and it also removed the dark spots that the acne had caused. And then he used cocoa butter as a cream. So that was it. So I picked him one of these up. Like I said, this is like his 3rd or 4th bar and it works well with him. My mama needed a thing of Baby Magic lotion, so I got that one for her. I got me one thing of chocolate milk. Mama also wanted some of the Pick Sweet frozen lima beans. She wanted 2 packs, one of the homestyle gravy and one of the savory beef. She needed some turkey bags. Jordan picked up 2 things of buns, and I got one thing of Texas toast because I want to make me some Texas toast. He also got 2 of the banana cream pudding mixes for a dessert that he's making, and also the Pepperidge Farm Verona cookies, the strawberry. He got 2. That's also for dessert. Yesterday Philip asked me for some Pringles for school, and normally I have Pringles on hand, but I didn't. Riante ended up going to Dollar General last night and got him one, so I said I was just gonna go ahead on and pick some up. I wanted to get the individual boxes, but they didn't have them. They only had like just the original individual boxes, so I just picked these up until I go to Sam's. After I was buying them all the time, but I think he got tired of them, so he stopped eating them. So if he do want more, I'll get them from Sam's, but if not, I'll just get an individual thing for him. I got 2 packs of the chicken breast tenderloins because, again, Philip asked me to fry some with some mashed potatoes today. This pack, if y'all see, was $5.99 and that pack was $6.37. And then also my son Deontay is going to be staying here for a couple of days. I seen him today and he told me he's coming tonight. And then Mama also needed some Ensure, so I got her 1 box of the Ensure until I go to Sam's. I got one more thing of the powder Arm & Hammer, and I know y'all gonna be like, girl, you just went and bought a whole bunch of laundry detergent. Yes, I did. We still got 2 more of the liquid, and then that one there is almost out. So I always like to stay ahead of the game of keeping it stocked up. And then I needed some more of my baking soda because I did open that box that you guys see over there. I opened that one this morning, and so I picked up 2 more. And one of you ladies was asking me how much does this cost at my Walmart, and you know, just on the coastal areas. The one that's in my city is like $2 and I think like 38 cents. The one that's 2 cities over from me, going towards the Louisiana area, it's actually $2.68. So it's not too bad in price difference. I guess it's just a demand that they have it for. And I still have one more whole one in there. So now I'm stocked back up to 4. And then I got one thing of borax. Hold on, y'all. All right, sorry about that, y'all. My clothes started spinning. And I picked up one thing of the borax laundry booster. I only use this in my white clothes, along with my laundry detergent, some cleaning vinegar, and my fabric softener. But that's all I use it on. It's all my white clothes, my white towels, t-shirts, socks, stuff like that. But I don't put this in any of my colors. And then they got the watermelon limited edition Febreze. I just picked up a 2-pack, one for my room and one for Philip, because Mama and them still have theirs. And that, like I said, that also I got Mama a whole bunch of feminine products and stuff, personal items, but I already put that up and gave it to her. She done put her stuff up, and I had to get some, and I put mine up already. And then, so yeah, so that's it, you guys. So hope you all enjoyed. Y'all know I will have some more hauls coming up. the end of this week and next week. My refresh hauls, bulk hauls. I gotta go buy some more water for just the household itself, for my son, some more stuff for him for school, fruits, vegetables, stuff like that. So it'll be different hauls coming up. Some will be from Frugals, some will be from Claiborne Hills, Winn-Dixie, Walmart, Sam's, just different stores. So y'all just stay tuned. Make sure that y'all have y'all notification bells on so you will not miss any of our hauls. Also, all of my grocery walkthroughs will be over here from now on. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna mix the grocery walkthrough with that particular grocery haul or have it separated. Because sometimes when I do a grocery walkthrough, I don't show you guys everything that I buy. I just pretty much want to show y'all prices that's in our area. Again, make sure y'all bells are set so you don't miss anything, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you didn't, that's fine as well. If you care to share, you can do that also. If you have not subscribed and you're interested in seeing more grocery hauls, how we buy, how we bulk buy, how I shop, how I manage my household, and then when my adult kids come over from their home and need stuff, or stuff that we share with them, and how we buy for multi-families, stay tuned. And I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.